Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a credit or debit card to your Apple Pay on iPhone 17. If you like to set up your Apple Pay by adding a credit or debit card so you can pay with your phone in stores by tapping your phone to the reader, then you can simply do it by opening the Wallet app, which if you don't have, you can go to App Store and go to Search and search for Wallet. Then you'll have it. I already have it, so I don't need to download it. And now what I can do is simply, hold on a second, is simply click on plus right here at the top, then debit or credit card. So let's see what's there. No, never mind. Debit or credit card. Then you can go to select your bank. I know that my bank won't be listed here, but most banks are. Banks in your region, so it applies to a region. I'm gonna go all the way down to add a different card. Then let's click on continue. And you can place your phone on the physical card. It'll read all the data via NFC, or you can enter card details manually. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna enter the card number, and then I'm gonna get further. Okay, now let's approve it right here. And now it tells you to select the expiry date and security code. In my case, it's already entered here, so I can click on continue. And now it's contacting my card issuer. It'll take just a moment. Now agree to the terms and conditions of Apple Pay. Now it's adding the card to the wallet. Most likely it'll also ask me for the verification of the card. Yes. So I'm just gonna verify with my email, or you can click on complete verification later, but you're not really able to use the card without verifying. So let's continue, and I'm just gonna get my code and I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, I have the code. I'm gonna approve it. And it's activated. So yeah, now it tells me how to use the Apple Pay, but I already know it. So yeah, it's there. Now if you have your Face ID set up, it's gonna be a bit faster to use it, but you can still use it just with your passcode. So in order to pay, you just need to double click on the side button right here on your iPhone. It'll open Wallet. Now you can either use Face ID, or I don't have it, so I can click on pay with passcode, enter my passcode, and now I can hold the card to my reader. And that's basically all you need to do. And Apple Pay is supported in most countries, so if it's supported in your country, it'll most likely work in all stores besides United States. In the United States, it may not work in some stores because of the store policy. So if it doesn't work, then it's most likely, like, it's Walmart, for example. It won't work in Walmart, or maybe in Target. I'm not really sure. I'm sure it doesn't work in Walmart. But in other countries, if the country supports Apple Pay, then you can pay basically everywhere where contactless payments are. So yeah, and also on websites, if you are on a website that supports Apple Pay, it'll show you a prompt here on the bottom of your screen. It'll tell you double click the side button, verify with your Face ID or passcode, and you'll pay online, for example on Amazon. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.